I suppose you want to hear about the kitchen door truckload sale. Well, if you get... No, well, yeah, that's where I'm going with that. Haha! Good to see you guys, because check it out, kitchendoortruckloadsale.com. We have all... Is it CA or .com?
Very close.
Hey, glad you stopped by. We've got some big stuff going on. Play that big... Really?
This is such a blooper reel. All right, you ready? Simple.
Hey everybody, have I got some stuff to tell you about. We're doing a truckload sale with some of our best purveyors for restaurant quality products to come to your house. So check out this website and order by these dates, and we have some awesome deals for you. Chicken, steak, you name it, we got it. Great to see you, stay safe, and check out our deals.